2 summers ago, I ruined a $150 beef brisket because the cheap pellet smoker I bought had a 40-degree temperature swing overnight, drying out the meat completely. Buying a Pit Boss smoker should be exciting, but with dozens of models, confusing series names, and varying barrel sizes, choosing the wrong one can waste your hard-earned money and ruin prime cuts of meat. In this video, we put 5 of the absolute best Pit Boss smokers through rigorous hands-on testing to reveal which model offers the perfect balance of smoke flavor, temp control, and value. And wait until you see why our top pick beats out models double its price. 5. Pit Boss Savannah Onyx Edition Wood Pellet Grill. Engineered with a massive 1,507 square inches of 3-tier porcelain-coated cast-iron cooking space, this smoker is built for people who regularly feed a small army. It features an upgraded digital PID control board capable of setting temperatures from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5-degree increments. It also packs a beefy 28-pound pellet hopper, an undermount removable burn pot for easier ash cleanup, and the signature Pit Boss flame broiler lever for direct flame searing up to 1,000 degrees. In our hands-on smoking tests, the Savannah Onyx Edition held plenty of food without breaking a sweat, easily accommodating 4 full pork shoulders and multiple racks of ribs simultaneously. The PID controller keeps the ambient barrel heat far more stable than older generation Pit Boss boards, and the dual meat probes made tracking internal temperatures straightforward. Searing steaks on the open flame broiler delivered dark, steakhouse-style grill marks. However, during extended testing, several notable drawbacks emerged that hold this unit back. First, because the cooking chamber is so massive, heating up the entire drum consumes a tremendous amount of wood pellets, especially when trying to maintain high searing temperatures. We also found that the middle and top rack clearances are somewhat tight. When you load all 3 tiers, accessing items on the bottom grate becomes cumbersome without removing upper racks entirely. Additionally, the sheer weight and footprint of this grill make moving it across anything other than smooth patio pavers a genuine workout. Ultimately, while the Pit Boss Savannah Onyx Edition gives you an unbelievable amount of cooking area for large gatherings, its high fuel consumption, awkward vertical rack spacing, and massive footprint keep it at the number 5 spot on our list. It is a capable monster, but it is simply more grill than the average backyard pitmaster needs. 4. Pit Boss Austin XL 1000 Onyx Edition. Offering 1,007 square inches of 2-tier cooking space, this model strikes a slightly more manageable profile while retaining high-end capacity. It comes equipped with an upgraded PID controller featuring 5-degree temperature adjustments, a generous 30-pound pellet hopper with an easy cleanout door, 2 included meat probes, and a heavy-duty steel frame coated in a sleek matte black onyx finish. During our low and slow testing sessions with pork butts and whole chickens, the Austin XL 1000 delivered deep smoke rings and rich wood-fired flavor. The 30-pound hopper capacity is a standout feature, allowing us to run overnight cooks for up to 14 hours without worrying about topping off fuel. The side shelf and bottom storage grate provided welcome space for butcher paper, prep trays, and rub shakers during busy cooks. Despite its strong cooking performance, we encountered a few frustrating issues during testing. We noticed minor temperature variations across the wide 1,000 square inch main grate, where the far right side of the barrel ran about 15 to 20 degrees cooler than the firepot area on the left. The included meat probes also read about 8 degrees higher than our calibrated third-party digital thermometers, forcing us to double-check internal temperatures manually. Furthermore, the flame broiler slider handle tended to stick after high-fat cooks if grease was allowed to bake onto the sliding plate. The Pit Boss Austin XL 1000 Onyx Edition is a solid budget-friendly smoker that feeds large groups with ease. However, the slight barrel heat unevenness, probe calibration quirks, and sticky flame slider keep it firmly in our number 4 position. 3. Pit Boss Pro Series 1150 Wood Pellet Grill. Featuring 1,150 square inches of primary and secondary cooking area on heavy porcelain-coated cast iron grates, this smoker is driven by a vibrant 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen controller. Outfitted with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it integrates seamlessly with the Pit Boss app, allowing you to monitor and adjust temperatures directly from your smartphone. Our hands-on time with the Pro Series 1150 was an absolute pleasure. The smart controller maintained rock-steady temperatures throughout a 12-hour brisket cook, and the ability to adjust heat levels or check probe readouts from inside the house via the app worked flawlessly. The heavy-gauge steel lid traps heat remarkably well, while the massive 32-pound pellet hopper ensured continuous fuel delivery without a single auger jam. One of our favorite features on the 1150 is the redesigned ash management system. Instead of taking out grates and heat deflectors to shop vac ash after every couple of cooks, the removable burn pot lets you dump accumulated ash in seconds. The external flame broiler lever makes transitioning from low-temperature smoking to high-heat direct searing smooth and safe. The Pit Boss Pro Series 1150 hits the sweet spot for pitmasters who want advanced wireless control, premium build quality, and effortless ash cleanup. Its rock-solid performance and smart features earn it a well-deserved spot on our podium. 2. Pit Boss Pro Series 1600 Wood Pellet Grill. Boasting an astounding 1,572 square inches of cooking space across 3 tiers of porcelain cast grates, this unit is built like a commercial smoker. It features a 33-pound hopper, a full-color 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless capabilities, an internal hood light for nighttime grilling, and a commercial-grade steel barrel engineered to withstand extreme weather. In our performance tests, the Pro Series 1600 proved to be an absolute powerhouse. We loaded the grates with 4 full briskets, 6 racks of ribs, and 2 trays of wings all at once, and the grill maintained uniform heat distribution across all 3 levels. The thermal mass of the thick steel body prevents sudden temperature drops when opening the lid, allowing for rapid heat recovery. The user experience on the 1600 is top-notch. The built-in internal hood light made late-night cooks effortless, and the dual programmable meat probes provided pinpoint accuracy throughout long smoke sessions. The flame broiler slide plate opens up a massive direct heat zone on the lower rack, producing restaurant-quality crusts on thick-cut steaks. For catering, large family reunions, or pitmasters who refuse to run out of cooking space, the Pit Boss Pro Series 1600 delivers unmatched capacity and rock-solid reliability. It missing the top spot only because its size and price are more than what average backyard cooks need. 1. Pit Boss 850DX Wood Pellet Grill. Offering 850 square inches of total cooking area, this model hits the absolute sweet spot in size, fuel efficiency, and price. It comes equipped with an advanced PID controller featuring Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app integration, an automatic keep warm mode tied to the meat probes, a removable burn pot for quick ash removal, and heavy porcelain-coated grates. During our testing, the 850DX delivered the most consistent temperature stability and fuel economy of any smoker in the Pit Boss lineup. Heat-up time is rapid, and the barrel size allows air and smoke to circulate perfectly around briskets, pork shoulders, and poultry without cold spots. The Keep Warm feature is a lifesaver. When your meat hits target internal temp, the grill automatically drops to a safe holding temperature so your food never overcooks. Every detail on the 850DX is tailored for daily backyard cooking usability. The hopper capacity easily supports long cooks, the ash dump system makes maintenance effortless, and the compact footprint fits comfortably on any deck or patio. It delivers rich, wood-fired smoke flavor without wasting pellets on empty cooking space. The Pit Boss 850DX represents the absolute best balance of price, performance, size, and smart technology. It gives you all the high-end features you need without paying for massive extra barrel space you will rarely use, making it our overall top pick for 2026. Final thoughts. Which Pit Boss is right for you? Choosing the best Pit Boss smoker ultimately comes down to your backyard footprint, your budget, and how many people you plan to feed. Whether you're drawn to the massive capacity of the Pro Series, the space-saving convenience of the Lexington, or the ultimate versatility of a pellet gas combo, Pit Boss has earned its reputation by offering premium wood-fired flavor without the premium price tag. Thanks to their signature 8-in-1 cooking system and direct flame searing capabilities, you aren't just buying a smoker. You're upgrading your entire outdoor kitchen. The bottom line, you really can't make a wrong choice. Pick the model that fits your lifestyle, grab a bag of competition blend pellets, and get ready to make your patio the most popular spot in the neighborhood.